Some people want love more than anything, but the moment things get serious, they pull away. Why? Why does commitment scare people who crave connection the most? Today, you'll learn the real psychology behind the fear of commitment and the one truth almost nobody sees. Most people assume commitment-phobic people are scared of love, emotionally immature, or avoiding responsibility. But psychologists say it's not love they fear, it's the emotional exposure that comes with it. And the first clue begins long before adulthood. People who fear commitment often grew up with love that felt unstable, affection that turned cold, unpredictable parents, emotional highs and lows, love that felt like a roller coaster. Their brain learned attachment is unsafe. So as adults, closeness feels dangerous, not because they don't want it, but because it reminds them of instability. But what are they actually afraid of losing? For many, commitment feels like surrendering identity. They've built emotional independence as protection. So when someone gets too close, they fear losing control, freedom, and stability. Love feels good, but vulnerability feels like risk. But the most surprising fear is this. People who fear commitment often pre-grieve. They imagine the breakup long before the relationship even starts. Their brain believes if I expect the loss, it won't hurt as much. It's not fear of love, it's fear of losing love. So why do they pull away even when they care? They experience a painful pattern. Get close, panic, pull away. Feel guilty, return, repeat. It's not manipulation. It's conflict between a heart that wants connection and a nervous system that wants protection. Two truths fighting at the same time. Can they love deeply? Yes, but slowly. Commitment-phobic people need emotional safety, no rushing, steady communication, pressure-free connection, reassurance without control. When love grows slowly, their nervous system stops panicking. They learn that closeness doesn't mean collapse. And if you fear commitment, you're not broken. You're protecting a younger version of yourself, someone who didn't feel safe. You don't fear commitment. You fear being hurt while committed. Love doesn't need to be fast. It just needs to feel safe. If this spoke to you, comment "Commitment scares me because," and subscribe for more psychology like this.